Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin ParkTech YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we will learn about how to make an automatic vending machine with the help of Arduino Uno. The platform we are using is the Proteus Set Professional. First, you must know that some of the components which we are using, including the vending machine, is not the integral part of the Proteus. So you should have to download the same file whose link is given in the description. Okay, and one more thing that the programming is done in Arduino IDE, and you should have to write the program by visually looking on the screen. So let's get started. First, we need to take our Arduino Uno. Arduino Uno, you will get the same Arduino Uno in your file. Okay, so no need to install any extra library. But if it is not working properly, then you can install the extra library for Arduino Uno. So this is our Arduino Uno. Now we will take our what's called as the keypad, 3x4 keypad. Okay, this is our keypad. Its A must be connected with 9, B must be connected with 8, C must be connected with 7, and D must be connected with 6. And what about 1? 1 must be connected with 5. 2 must be connected with 4, and 3 must be connected with the 2. Sorry, 3. Okay, now we also need to take one serial monitor to see the output. RXT must be connected with the TXT. Oh, sorry, it's okay. Now we need to go to our program. We will okay, first let me burn the program to see that either it's working properly or not. However, you can see the program. It's keypad.h header file, then initialization of the keypad, then initialization of pin rows and pin columns, and then output GPIOs, and then get key class, and then all this is okay. And we need to copy this .ino.hex, control C. You need to go to file and then new, and then you need to write all this, and then you need to compile it as well. Okay, yeah, you must know that how you can do it. Okay, now we need to paste it out. Okay, now we can see, yes, press 1 for Coke, press 1 for bubble gum, press 1 for, it's okay, it must be 2 and all this. Okay, and this is okay, wait, let me press it. It's 3. Okay, we need to do one thing that nothing special. Okay, now we need to take our vending machine. After keypad we need our vending machine, so we will go and take our vending machine. This is our vending machine. Okay, and okay, we need to now we need to connect this vending machine with the Arduino Uno, but with the help of some relays. Okay, not directly, because if we use all this directly, then it can be a bit problematic. So we have to use some relays. So we will go for animated relay. We can take 3 relays. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 13, and this is 12 connected to 12, and this is connected to pin number 11. Okay, so okay, and rest of the winding coils must be connected with each other and then to the ground. Okay, we will take our ground like this. Okay, also we need to change our voltages to 5 volts, not the 12 volts. This 5 volt and this 5 volt and this 5 volts. Okay, now we will see that either they will turn on properly or not. Okay, now on pin number 1, relay 1 is working properly. Then yes, with 2, relay 2 is working properly. Then relay 3 is working properly. Okay, now we will go into the coding and we will write press 2 for bubble gum, press 3 for cake. Okay, now again we will run it. No need to again put again and again the link of the hex file. Okay, it will update automatically. Okay, so we will run it. Okay, now it's good. Okay, now we will take 3 supplies. That is called as the this thing. Okay, and then this thing, and then this thing. Okay, and this must be connected with this positive terminal, and then and this pin must be connected with this pin, and this pin must be connected with this pin. Then we can write here a 9, we can write here 8, and we can write here 12. That's 12 because 12 volt is for cake and all this. Okay, now we can run it. Okay, we can see that either it's work properly or not. Okay, either the other pin is connected. Yes, other pin must be connected with the ground. That is of the vending machine. Okay, so this is like that. Okay, now we will press 1 either. We got our bubble gum. Okay, on pin number 1 we got our bubble gum. On pin number 2 we got our coke, and with pin number 3 we got our cake. Yes, we got cake. So hopefully you got this simple concept of vending machine. So thanks for visiting our channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe.